this video I will tell you how to connect your WordPress.com domain with any web hosting. So most of the people ask me this question that they have a WordPress.com domain but they want to use any other web hosting like Bluehost, Namecheap or Hostinger, where they want to install WordPress.org, which is an open source tool to create website. So if you have a WordPress.com domain and you want to connect it to a Bluehost or any other web hosting, so first of all you have to log into your WordPress.com account. Like I have logged in one of my account. So now if you want to use your domain with any other web hosting, go to this profile button and here you under purchases you will find all the purchases that you have made. So here you can see I have a domain here, and if I want to use this domain on any other web hosting without actually transferring it, so my domain will be registered on WordPress.com, but I will be able to use this domain on any other web hosting. So I will click on it. I will not transfer it because transfer takes time and sometimes we have to renew the domain as well, so it takes cost as well. So to keep using your domain, WordPress.com domain on any other web hosting, go to your domain settings and here you can go to name servers. So here you can update your name servers. So by default you will have this button enabled, so you can see my button is disabled because I disabled it and added custom name servers. So I added the custom name servers of the Bluehost, which are these ones. So if you want to use any other web hosting and not Bluehost, you can just go to Google and like you can type Namecheap name servers. Like if you want to use Namecheap web hosting with the WordPress.com domain, you can find the Namecheap name servers by searching, or you can just go to the Namecheap website and you can contact their support team and you can ask them about their name servers and you can add them. So here are the Namecheap name servers. If you will add your Namecheap name servers to your domain over here, you will be able to use this domain on your web hosting. So I have added Bluehost name servers over here and I have added my domain here under my domains. As I am using Bluehost, so I have added my domain over here, and once you have added your domain here, you can use your domain on Bluehost. So when I install the WordPress, here you can see I have installed the WordPress. So here is the fresh WordPress, and if I want to, like maybe you already have a WordPress installed on any temporary domain over here and you want to connect your domain with it and you have updated the name server, you can just go to the settings and here you can change the URL. So when I use this Bluehost, I installed the WordPress. I already had the WordPress installed on a temporary domain, so that was causing problem for me, so I just updated the URL over here and it starts working. So that's how you can connect your WordPress.com domain with any other web hosting. So thank you for watching this video. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.